Hey everybody, it's a snowy, cold night here in Chicago. We're at the Waldorf Astoria Hotel in Chicago. We're going to go in and give you a room tour, and unfortunately you can't film throughout the hotel. They have a no filming policy. We'll definitely show you what the room is like and show you any other spaces that we can. If you haven't hit that subscribe button yet, be sure to hit the subscribe, and let's check out the hotel. We're just outside the hotel now. This is where you pull in at. Cool little fountain right there. It's turned off for the winter. And this is where you go in to check in and valet your car right here. There's a look up at the towers there, way up there. Alright, here we are heading to our room now. These beautiful lights on the ceiling here. These hallways are just beautiful. So some lights on the wall there. Just a really nicely decorated hotel, and the room is awesome too. So we're in 2003, so 2003. Just rang the doorbell there, and there's Stephanie.
Hello, guys.
And headed in, we have some cool artwork on the wall right here. And turning back around here, you have your closet here. Light comes on automatically, coat hangers, extra pillow towels, ironing board. And we'll close that up. This is the junior suite, is what this is. So you do have a little wet bar here. The bottle of waters are included. So I'll just show you real quick. You do have some sparkling bottles of water, glasses, gummy bears here.
Those are the most expensive gummy bears.
Gummy bears, and you got your bottle opener there. This is the private bar menu, which will show you that and everything on there. Once we show you the fridge real quick. This is the fridge here. This is all paid items, so just a heads up on that. We got champagne and sodas, everything you might need. Sink. Down here is your trash can. You have a microwave here. And then down below is a pull-out drawer here. There's some beef sticks, chocolate chips, and some alcohols down there. And then this is the private bar menu right here. And this kind of shows you the prices there. So Stephanie mentioned the gummy bears. The gummy bears are $12.
$12.
So there's all the prices in the menu there. And then turning around here, this room is absolutely beautiful. So you have the living room here, you got TV, you have fireplace here. Fireplace looks beautiful. Turning around, you have the couch, chair, 2 lamps, little table there in the middle. And we'll head around this way. Here, there's that fireplace again. You have your desk right here. It's a really nice soft top desk. Plenty of places to plug things up at. And then from the desk, you have this view here. It's not really a balcony you can go out on, but it has a nice view out there. So there's looking down from the 20th floor.
It's
wow.
snowing.
If you look closely, you can see it for sure. It's a little bit of snowing coming down. It is April, but it's snowing. That's awesome. And look at the view from here. Wow. Just a really good view from here. And so coming back, we'll turn back to the room here. You have your bed, king size bed. There's the bed for you. You got 2 tables on both sides and lamps. Some more artwork on the wall there. And then turning around this way, you have storage. And another TV right there. And turning back around this way, you have your clock here. It's a pretty cool clock. And coming over this way is a little hallway leading to the bathroom. Hey everybody. And so just to show you a nice full-size mirror there. Really nice. Turning right over here, you have plenty of storage. You have another mirror right there with some plugs. That'd be good for putting on makeup and things like that. On this side here, you have a safe and plenty of storage right there. A Jollibee cup. We went to Jollibee for the first time. That's something we wanted to try for a while. I mean, there's one down the street from here. On this side, you have some more coat hangers. You have the plush ones. You have the robes. And then you also have some slippers down there. And then over here, they have shoe shine service. Let's see, put your bags in the shoe here. Laundry bags is a shoe mitt. A little brush here, breakfast menu, everything you could possibly need. And then more storage on the bottom. And then the middle one's also just more storage. Ignore our stuff in there. And turning around here to the bathroom. Cool design here in the bottom of the floor. And coming in the bathroom, two nice mirrors right there. There's a scale on the bottom there, a storage, towels, double sinks here. Inside this little thing here, you have a makeup remover, cotton swab, shower cap, and the other one is little nice lights on the ceiling here. And then over to your left, really nice bathtub. It's a deep soaking tub. So there's the bathtub there. And then over here you got these double doors. It's pretty cool. So on the right hand side you got your toilet. Standard toilet. There you go. And on the left hand side you have your shower. Nice size shower. You got your shower products there. And you have a little spot for your foot down there. And just a really nice shower. A really nice room overall. And I'll take you back this way. And I will show you just one more walk through here. So this is like I said, the junior suite. So it's almost like a studio room kind of. But you have this wall that separates the bedroom from the living room here. And so back over to the living room. And that's our room there. So this is a really nice room. Very clean, very nice room.
Guys, I was just in the shower and I got out and look what they did. It's Jeremy's birthday this month. And the hotel took it upon themselves to just bring him up some macarons.
Macarons.
Macarons. However you say it, but
yeah.
How awesome is that?
We love macarons. We've had them plenty of times before. You can say macaroons. It doesn't matter how you want to say it, but there's probably the names for it too. There's like little gold nuggets on the plate here. The macarons have like a little bit of dipped in chocolate on the bottom. I can't move it. It's just like the plate. Happy birthday and the little Waldorf Astoria logo on there. So my birthday is April 29th, for anybody that wants to know. But we like to try to celebrate the whole month. So we're not out like doing huge things every single night, but we always try to do special things throughout the month. And they brought up a little birthday plate of macarons. So my birthday month is off to a good start. So I'm going to try these in a minute. They look good.
That's awesome.
All right, our pizza's got here. So it's Lou Malnati's pizza. We had Giordano's in the past, so we're looking forward to Lou Malnati's. Heard a lot of good things about it. The concierge here said they were really good. So we got two of the personal pans. We had Jollibee earlier, so we didn't want to get a whole lot of food. So these are little personal ones here. There's two large slices like this, so definitely enough if you've had something to eat, and look fantastic. So one's the pepperoni and cheese, and then we also the other side. We already split them in half, but the other side is the classic, which is the sausage and extra cheese. So it's like the classic. We put garlic on the pepperoni one. So first time trying each of these, huh?
Is it cheesy?
Mm-hmm. Mm. Wow. That was the garlic and pepperoni. That is fantastic. Really good garlic flavor to it. Oh my gosh, that's good. This is the classic one.
What's in it?
It's just got the sausage and extra cheese. And they said butter crust on it too. I don't know if all of them have butter crust or not. It's going to be messy trying to eat this, so let's just give it a try. Oh yeah. That's really good. A lot of cheese to it. This one has more cheese than sauce ratio. So get that classic if you like a really good cheesy pizza. The sauce is amazing on this other one with the garlic. I think the garlic and pepperoni is the way to go for me. But I love the cheese on this one. I'm kind of torn, but that garlic flavor is so good. Lou Malnati's, double thumbs up. Just want to show you a quick view from our room at nighttime. That's the John Hancock Tower right there with the 4 lights up top. 100 stories, I believe. So we have a great view from our room. There's a view down, 20 floors down. So look at that skyline view. Wow. Room service has arrived. We got the cappuccino here. And they do give you 2 bottles of water included. And then there's the breakfast potatoes. This is Eggs Benedict, but it's a little bit different here. It's got country ham, and it's got a croissant on it, so it's a little bit different. The hollandaise sauce is right there. I got an extra croissant here. The pancakes here. The bacon right there. Look at that beautiful rose. And they got all of our little sauces there and everything we need. So this is our room service breakfast, and we will let you know what we think once we try it. Alrighty, we just got done with our stay here at Waldorf Astoria. I would say it was an awesome stay overall. A very nice, very clean hotel. Start off with the room service we just had, since y'all just saw that. The breakfast room service was pretty good. I know for my part, the hollandaise sauce was really good. The ham, and we're looking kind of down at it. It's in front of us. The ham was more like the city ham, not the true country ham. And the breakfast potatoes were good. Stephanie, your pancakes were not so good.
My pancakes were not good at all. They were kind of overcooked. They had a burnt taste to them. I did get a side of bacon, and the bacon was really good, though.
Yeah, and I had the cappuccino as well. That was pretty good. So that's our thoughts on the room service. It was about $100 for room service, so definitely going to be more on the pricey side for room service if you do get it.
We had a credit, though. We didn't pay full price.
Yeah, we with Hilton, we get a credit per stay for food for being Diamond members. So they give us a $50 credit. And then for the hotel itself, and starting with the valet, you have about 4 or 5 people at your valet. That was the best valet experience I ever had. As soon as you pull up, one person's getting your keys, another person's taking your trash, someone else is getting your luggage out. So that was really good. And then hotel super clean, good staff, very friendly. The smell here is amazing. We talk about the smells if you watch some of our Orlando videos, like Sapphire Falls, Royal Pacific, and Portofino Bay. The smell here is awesome. It's more like a boutique luxury style hotel, even though it's 26 floors. It still feels small. I will tell you though, it's very expensive. So you really have to weigh the kind of pros and cons. You know, some of the pros here is that really personal service, and you also get the really quiet. Like, you don't feel like you're in a city. This just feels like a hotel that's not in a big city. It's very peaceful, quiet, very luxurious. But also you're paying about double the price as another hotel in the area from the current time of this booking. So you kind of got to weigh the pros and cons of, you know, is the Waldorf Astoria for you, and what are you looking for? They do have some nice amenities like the pool and the spa and different things like that. So it's a very nice hotel with a lot to offer. And yeah, I think we'll definitely stay here again, I think.
Maybe. I'm a maybe. I'm not sure. The bed, people rave about the bed, the Waldorf Astoria bed. They say it's the best bed ever. To me, it's very hard and uncomfortable.
Very firm,
so I didn't sleep very well. My body actually is kind of sore today from sleeping on it. But other than that, we've had great service.
Yeah, we'll definitely check out some other hotels possibly in the future. Then check out the area when we come back. I like this one a lot, but we'll see, because we like trying different places too. There's some other hotels in the Hilton portfolio. We like to stay with Hilton brand. But yeah, just think about this hotel if you're coming to Chicago for sure. Just keep in mind, you're going to pay about double, but also what's most important to you is that boutique luxury style with really good top of the line service, where you don't feel like you're in the city, or do you kind of want that city noise and kind of feel like you're actually in the big city, what you're coming here for. With that being said, hit that subscribe button if you don't mind. Like the video, and we're going to hit the road now.
Bye, guys.
Bye, everybody.